All right, let's clear some things up as it relates to quarterly tax payments that are being made to the IRS on a regular basis. Now, what these are essentially, these are estimates based on what you anticipate your total tax liability to be when you file at the beginning of the following year. Now, skipping these payments can equal IRS penalties plus interest. So you definitely want to make sure that you make these payments. Now, a general rule of thumb, anytime someone says, okay, well, Jeremy, what should I put to the side? Should I put 5, 10, 15%? Without proper planning, I would say you need to put it about 25 to 30% to the side in anticipation of the tax liability that you're going to have. So that's going to be 25 to 30% of your net income, right? You want to put that right to the side to be able to make those payments. Now, that is a large amount. I totally get it. That's a third of your revenue almost. Now, here's the thing. If you have a tax plan in place and you have someone that's looking at this information on a regular basis, then you may not need to put that much to the side. Or if there are other strategies that you're implementing and working with a professional, then you can definitely do away with putting those amounts to the side. But if you do not have a plan in place, please put a chunk of that to the side and make sure that you're filing, or not filing, but make sure that you're paying those quarterly taxes when they are due. Now, here's the other thing. You do not have to submit a file. So it's not like you have to actually go in and do a filing with the IRS. This is simply you making estimated tax payments based on your anticipated tax amount that's due. Guys, don't get caught short. If you don't have a plan in place, then let's set something up to where we can provide that calculation for you and say, okay, here's the amount that you should send in to the IRS if you don't already have a professional that you're working with. If you do, connect with them. Listen, I did a whole video on tax preparation is not tax planning. So just because they're filing your tax return for you does not mean that they're automatically doing calculations for you on a regular basis. So if you're missing out on that, reach out to them and ask them, hey, are you able to calculate what my tax liability would be? And a lot of times they can do that for you. Guys, I hope that helps you. We'll see you next time.